May malalim na hugot ang painting exhibit ni Solenn Heussaff. Sa gitna kasi ng nakakamangha niyang obra, ang malungkot na pinagdadaanan ng kanyang pamilya dahil sa amang nakikipaglaban sa demensya. Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
Bago ang feels ng painting exhibit ni Solenn Heussaff, pero ang ganda ng mga luntiang halaman, subject ng kanyang obra, may mas malalim na hugot.
It's really using nature and foliage as a metaphor, as a language, and also as the visual. So it's about growth, and it shows how life is always shifting, always changing. There are dark moments, like there are brighter ones, and you just have to learn to step out into the unknown. That's the whole vibe of the exhibit.
Inspirasyon niya raw sa ilan niyang paintings ang pinagdaraanan ng kanyang pamilya ngayon, partikular ang pagkalinga sa kanilang ama na may demensya.
Memory fades away, so that's what this is about. And I feel like in a field of hortensia flowers, which is my dad's favorite flower, pero abstracted sila dito, I can find him still. Kasi he cannot recognize me and everything. Yeah, he's not completely disappeared. He's still there, but he's changing, evolving in his own terms, how life made it happen to him. So parang it's all about that. It's the landscape of growth within. He's here with us. He's alive, but he's not there. Alam mo yung dementia, syempre, is a very difficult disease.
Mabuti na lang daw at kahit papaano ay may outlet si Solenn para ilabas ang pinagdaraanan. Pero habang nagkukwento siya ng ilang partikular na insidente sa buhay nila, ramdam ang pagiging emosyonal niya.
There are good days. I wouldn't say bad. One time I went to my mom's house, and then my dad looked at me, and then he just started crying. And then he's like, "My daughter." So then I was super crying also. And then he looked at me again, tapos wala na. Ganun, parang... Yeah, he was there for like a split second.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.